Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY tall wedding centerpiece. It can be a centerpiece or I use it as an accent for a sweets table. So first you're going to cut a whole bunch of flowers. I got a whole bunch of flowers from the dollar store and you're going to trim them. Then I have some floral foam I'm sticking together and I'm just putting in the flowers. I basically go in a circle from the bottom and then build upwards. You can add whatever colors you like, but I wanted to go with like a red theme primarily with some accents of like pink and beige. So I have a candle holder on the bottom and I've glued two vases stacked on top of each other and then a round cutting board. All of this is from the dollar store and I use Gorilla Glue. You can also just use any glass industrial glue. And then all I'm going to do is stick the flowers that we stuck into the floral foam right on top. Again, I'm using the Gorilla Glue for that. And then you just want to let it sit. So in between each item that you're putting, so like the bottom, the two vases, you want to make sure you wait about 20 minutes just so it's nice and stable and the glue has had time to dry. And then you're all set. It's so pretty and so beautiful. It adds height and dimension to any table and it looks so fantastically beautiful. It looks real. It looks really nice. So I ended up using it as an accent for a sweets table. I made two of them and afterwards I now use it on my side table. So they're so pretty and I hope you guys try it and like and subscribe. Thanks.